So tell me about the future for MacArthur Junior. What do you think that holds for our school?
Well, I think it says a lot about how our school is changing and upgrading and meeting the needs of the students according to what they're interested in. A lot of these students want to play with iPads and computers rather than, um, writing things down. And I think it's really about meeting those needs and being innovative and saying, you guys like technology, we're gonna use a new way to use technology and teach these kids life lessons. What James Kennedy Elementary has in place and what we're looking forward to is the Inspire program. So we're starting an after school program that's going to teach these kids to work together in building MacArthur Junior and how they can not only teach themselves but teach each other and having a common goal. So we're really looking forward to that.